watching, I be on my. When you watching, I be on my.
Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first time. And I'm back with another video. I'm back with another haul. I've done a lot of shopping, I feel like, within the last month. Last month in November it was my birthday month, and then this month is Christmas. All of this stuff is strictly for me. I bought this in November, a few days before my birthday, because I was trying to figure out how I wanted to do my hair. But I went to my local beauty supply and I ran up a bag and bought a bunch of stuff. So I figured I'd show y'all what I got. I'm just gonna grab stuff and go because it's kind of a lot of stuff that I have. I got this as well. I got like a third of this left. This is the coconut milk detangling and conditioning leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature. I've used this before in the past, which is why I picked it up. I just use it to kind of keep, I haven't used it today, I should, but I use it to like keep my hair moisturized because my hair gets dry. I'm trying to get my hair to grow in like length. I feel like it's just been getting like super thick, but I need some length to it, you know? And from what I've been seeing, researching and stuff, it helps to like keep your hair moisturized, at least my hair type. I'll use this like before I go to work. I'll spray down like my hair. So I'm trying to keep like my hair moisturized. Kind of in the same boat, I got this hydrating silkening hair milk from Aunt Jackie's. I discovered this brand a few months ago and I just saw it in my local beauty supply and I tried it and I've been in love ever since. So this is kind of the same thing as a leave-in conditioner. When I read it, it's basically the same thing. I haven't really used this yet. I think I've used it once. When you do spray it, it does come out white though. I got that. Then I've been really wanting to get into like drawstring ponytails. So this isn't a ponytail, but this is still like a drawstring. It's a drawstring afro puff. I'll insert a picture of how I had my hair for my birthday. This is basically what I wore for my birthday, except it was a different color. It was kind of like a not dirty blonde, like a strawberry blonde kind of color almost. So I got that. This is like this is in the shade 1B, so it's like black, very natural if I wanted to have my hair kind of like this lady has it in the picture. So got that. And then I also, before I forget, the picture that I just showed you, I bought that hair puff as well. I got this micellar rose water cleanser. This is a clarifying shampoo from Palmer's. Clarifying shampoos, if you know, it basically strips your hair of everything. So I don't use this every time I wash my hair. I use it like if my scalp is like really gunked up and like dirt. You want to use something like that like after you take your braids out, stuff like that. So I got that. This was $9.99, child. I also bought me some shampoos. I've been really loving using this brand. What is this? OGX. So I got the coconut milk shampoo. I've used this before. I really like this. And then I got the biotin and collagen shampoo. I haven't had a chance to use this yet, so next time I wash my hair I'll probably use this. These were each $6.99. This is like it says it's an extra large afro puff. I got confused in the beauty supply, or I guess I just wasn't paying attention, because they had this, which is one singular afro puff drawstring, and then they had it to where it was two smaller afro puffs, so I could have like wore like two afro puffs. I thought that I bought the one with two. I ended up buying this one. So, and it's too late for me to return it now, so I'm still trying to debate on what I want to do with it. Next, I got some heat protectant for my hair, so like when I'm blow drying my hair. This was the only heat protectant I could find in my beauty supply, because I guess they're moving stuff around, but this is the only one I found. It's from Pantene. It helps protect your hair from thermal styling damage for up to 450 degrees. So my mama said this is really good. I haven't used this yet, I don't think. I'm still using what I have. This was $7.99, child. Oh, then I got me some Afro picks. Surprised I don't have these yet for like, you know, my own hair. But I figured I'm gonna be wearing like these Afro puffs and need something to pick them out. So I got like a bigger one that's more like straight, and then this one is kind of more flared out, if you can tell the difference. But these were each $1.49. And then next I got this easy wraparound ponytail. This is a 24-inch ponytail, and this is in the color P1B 2730. Haven't had a chance to wear this yet. I loved the color, and then you can kind of see how the lady in the picture has it styled. So I can't wait to try this. I don't know when I'll try it. I went in my beauty supply with the intention of getting clip-ins, because I was like, I want to wear clip-ins for my birthday, because I saw that Kenny D Simone here on YouTube, which shout out to her, I've been watching her for years. I love her content, but I saw that she put in some clip-ins, and I was like, I want some clip-ins. But then I bought these and I realized that my hair texture, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna wear these clip-ins. This is what they look like. Got them in the shade number 2 brown, like a dark brown. Comes with 7 different pieces, so I'm trying to figure out how I want to wear this. Didn't think about that too much when I bought it. And last but not least, thought this was gonna be longer. I kind of zoomed through this because I still have another video I want to record. I got 2 different drawstring ponytails. They're both the same brand, same length, so they're both 14 inches. This one is in the shade natural brown, so these are like straight drawstring ponytails. And then I got this one. I had to get me like something with some color in it. If anything to know about me, I love having like different colors. One day I may want a natural, next day I may want it red or blue. And this is in the shade T Nat / 27613. Can y'all see that? That's the blonde one. So it's like an ombre. It fades into blonde. That is my haul. Got a lot of stuff. Can't wait to use it. Back in 2020, I was like, I want to learn how to like really start styling my own hair. I know like the same 2 or 3 different hairstyles for my natural hair, but I really want to learn how to like add stuff in my hair, like clip-ins and drawstring ponytails. And I really want to be able to say that if I'm in a crunch, I can do my own hair how I want to do my own hair, if that makes sense. I'm on a journey of learning how to do that. Maybe I'll post some videos on the channel trying this stuff out. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.